Hello. Okay, so today we are going, it's chapter 6, lesson activity. The objective for this is to rhyme words. It is also to know the words, understand what they are reading to know them. This will be done by using a dictionary. If there's a word that they run into that they don't understand or that they are just having a difficulty with or have a doubt about. Also, to comprehend the story, to understand the story, to know what the story is about. The materials will be the book Enter at Your Own Risk and Wild Weather. They're both kind of like, they include some science in it, so I thought it was pretty cool because they are both on the same subject. We are also using popsicle sticks that have different words on them. These will be used to rhyme. And we are using dice. The dice will be used to choose a group and to choose a student in the group to answer the question or to help out in the activity. And we are also using a dictionary, okay? So let me start off by introducing the book to you, Enter at Your Own Risk. So the book has words like animals, weirder, strong, catch. So they are 4 or 5 letter words and, you know, more. And so let me read just a spot here that says, the animal can swallow a lot of water. I use the word swallow as finding out what it means. I would ask the students to highlight or to write down words that to them are important or that they don't understand. That way we can go back and look at the word and they could know what it means and they could get a better understanding of it. So one of the words that I chose from this book was the word swallow. As you can see here, there's a lot more text on these. The word blood. I chose that because of the double O. Fastest, hidden. And so at the end of the story for this book, what I would do is I would have the students, I want them to comprehend and to understand what the story is about. So I would roll the dice and it stopped at 3. So I would be like group 3. Okay. Can somebody in group 3 after the story tell me, where does it live? The answer would be that the animal lives in the rainforest. What does it eat? Seeds, fungus, bugs. What makes it weird? A thin, long finger on each of its hands. So the point of this is just to understand the words, understand what they're reading, to comprehend the story as well. So for this one, I chose the word swallow. So we would look for the word swallow and I would have the students grab their dictionaries. I would, the classroom would have a couple of dictionaries. So they're able to use them. They'll learn how to use them. They'll learn how to look for the words and understand the words and share it with the classroom. So I would have the student, look for the word swallow. Okay. So Mary, tell me what the word swallow means. And any of numerous small, long-winged passerine birds of the family. See, that's not. Any of several unrelated swallow-like birds. To take into the stomach by drawing through the throat or esophagus with the voluntary muscular action as food or drink. So that would be the definition for the word swallow. Okay, and that's just an example of a word that they are that they don't understand or that they're curious about or that to them is important. Now let me go with the book Wild Weather. Okay, and this one is also on science. So like I said, I like that it matched. This one has more text on it. It has more words on it. This one, I did choose some words from here too. I chose the word dangerous. So it says flash floods are the most dangerous type of flood. I chose the word dangerous. I chose the word flood too. I chose it for our rhyming because I like that it has the double O on it. And students start to notice flood, food, took, okay? And so this one has 16 pages long. And like I said, it has more text than this one does. And for the word dangerous, again, let's say it's of interest to one of the students. They would look for the word, they would search the word. And I mean, of course, it would take them longer than what it's gonna take me. And once they find it, they can read it out loud to the classroom. So for this one, dangerous, full of danger or risk, causing danger, hazardous or unsafe, okay? So like I said, we would include the dictionary to understand what we're reading, what's going on in the story. We would ask questions towards the end of the stories just to make sure that the students understand what the story was about. And another thing that I would like to do, now we're including rhyme, is I use popsicle sticks. And for this one, let's say the students would match up the popsicle sticks. So I have right here, fail, follow, blood, beach, flood, okay? So for example, beach. So what rhymes with beach? So it would be teach. The next one, flood. What rhymes with flood? Blood. So there you go. Next one, follow. What rhymes with follow? Swallow. And remember, swallow was one of the words that I picked out from the books, as well as blood from this one and flood from this one. Now, fail. Hail. Hail is included in Wild Weather books, so I chose that from there. And feather matches with weather, which I chose from Wild Weather book. And this is my activity for today. It included rhyme, it included comprehension of the words, it included the understanding of the story, as well as the words by using the dictionary, rhyming, and using the dice to not just pick on one student, but to kind of give everybody a chance to participate in the activity. So that's my activity for today.